guys, a tutorial of easy Faux Calligraphy using a pen. So obviously I have a lot of ordinary pens that I rarely use. Due to that, I don't really like using them. But today I'm going to use an ordinary panda ball pen, which is most commonly used here in the Philippines, and it's one of the cheapest pen, which costs less than 6 pesos. So now we're going to write each letter in cursive way. This is how I write each letter in cursive way. It's just depend on how you write it, but this is my style, this is my way of writing it. Basically, Faux Calligraphy is known as fake calligraphy, which means imitating the look of calligraphy using any kind of writing tool like ball pen, chalk, etc. Using pencil, I will mark those strokes so that it will serve as a guide. Next is we're going to put a line on downstrokes. Afterwards, we're going to fill in by shading it to look more firm and bold. Remember that the downstrokes are also the thick strokes and the upper strokes are the thin strokes. It takes a lot of time shading it, but it's worth it in the end, so you just keep going. Basically for me, this is the hardest part, which is shading, because it requires a lot of time to fill in by shading it. But you must take it slowly so that you will not commit a mistake. It's satisfying doing calligraphy, so if you're a beginner, just keep going and keep creating. We're almost done! And then I'll just erase those marks of the pencil. Here's the final result. So we're going to have a sample. Let's try writing the word calligraphy. Just follow the step I provided a while ago, which is to put a line on downstrokes. Then afterwards, you fill in by shading it. For me, this is the most satisfying part, which is shading. And always remember that you must love what you do and do what makes you happy. Because if you love something, or if you love what you do, then you will surely enjoy it. And if you want to achieve something, work hard for it. Always keep in mind that we must strive, but strive for progress and not perfection, for us to improve and develop more our skills. And that's it. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe now to my channel.